Recording.
All right, we are currently in, we're kind of in between Young Harris and Hiawassee, Georgia. We are on 75/69, something like that, blah, 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 blah. So I am going to show you, a back road, a back way to Murphy, North Carolina, from Hiawassee, Young Harris. And we're going where that skid steer just turned in up there. We're in Towns County, Georgia right now. And we're going to be hitting Towns County and Clay County. And other than this law enforcement officers here, these two, we're probably not going to see much. But it is really good to see them paving this road. Who knew? Who knew? So the road on the right is McDonald Road, Industrial Park, whatever. That road takes you to Amazon. But this road was a really good road. I mean, this road was a great road. And with new pavement on it, it's going to be even a better road. However, across the street from that road that I said takes you to Amazon is the sheriff's office and the detention center. So there's that. But I'm going to say it's rare to see law enforcement officers on this road. So once you get past the sheriff's office, typically there's nobody out here. There's no traffic. I said that, but today's going to be an anomaly. I didn't know that they were going to be paving this road. I haven't been out here in a couple months. But they paved this road right. I mean, it's smooth. It's nice. I hope he's taking that Caterpillar to my house. You know how nice it would be to come home and see a brand new Caterpillar sitting out in the yard. That was brand new too. I can't tell what it is. Some of those new ones, I think they're 755s. They're really nice. Not in my budget. I'm gonna have to stick with my 267B. I'm just poor mountain folk. When there's no one in front of you, this road's really fun, super duper fun. I hope. Made it. I was hoping nothing was coming. If it were to rain soon, it'll wash this road nice and clean. That asphalt's nice. That is a brand new Caterpillar. The tracks aren't even worn yet. Yep. He just said, blah, 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 blah. They're gonna eat up my battery while they sit and talk. There's nothing coming. Oh, there's the chase vehicle. 3 vehicles behind it. Subaru, Ford,